Hello and welcome to Gråbogarden. Here's the second part of our exciting series of kitchen equipment. This is the steam table which we use at Gråbogarden, and I'm going to quickly show you how to use it. It's very simple, not very complicated to use. The first thing that you need to do is to fill the bins with water. So you can remove the trays that we have in, and you fill the receptacle with water until the water touches the bottom of the pans. You can use a pitcher or anything that we have here in the kitchen to fill it up. There's 3 separate areas, so you would need to fill each one with water if you're going to use all 3 of those. After that, you turn this on to your the temperature that you want. Let's say 80 degrees, and that's it. It'll heat up the water and keep the food warm inside of the trays. When you're finished, you just turn this off, and these are the valves that empty the water into the drain. So you turn these clockwise, and the water will drain out. When it's finished, you turn it back. That's it.